My name is Chris Wells. I'm Executive Vice President, DS Graphics Universal Wild. We're here in our Canton, Mass facility, which we call the South facility. I would describe us as a general commercial printer, but we really specialize in customized communications for marketing and for direct customer communications as well.
I'm Tom Lang. I'm the founder and president of Advantage Color Graphics in Anaheim, California. I would describe Advantage Color Graphics as a premier printer in the commercial printing space. We've always invested in technology, trying to stay up front and have the offerings that we can meet the client's demand. When we go up against certain projects and RFPs, there's certainly a cost element to everything, and we need equipment to help us get there.
Those clients that really care about quality, some of them are still in the marketing side. So they want both, right? So they want the response on the direct mail, they want the ROI, but they also want to make sure their corporate brand colors are being matched. We do a lot of retail work where flesh tones and what the clothing looks like is very, very important on that piece because that's what people are going to purchase.
The VarioPrint iX fit a segment that we really need to fill in our facility. We needed smaller sheet, high speed, reliability, because we have different segments in our business that require that.
This is the perfect piece of equipment for us. We're talking to folks that are totally focused on the quality, that are shocked at what we show them. That's a tremendous advantage for us from a sales standpoint.
One of the advantages that we saw immediate with the ProStream is the wide range of not only substrate, but products we could produce on it.
We're able to do a lot more applications now with the ProStream. Postcards, self-mailers, perfect bound books, just regular billing statements. We're able to perf in line.
Because you can go all the way from a 60, you can go much lower than that, frankly, up to a 12-point coated cover on the ProStream. We can, on that one device, basically knock off all of those types of projects.
The iX meets our quality standards for all our customers, whether it's offset coated, any media that we're running through it.
So we're really looking forward to continuing to work with Canon on new products and services that they come out with. And I think they get what's happening in the industry. They're involved on the transactional side, they're involved on the direct mail side, they're involved on the publishing side. So they have a much more global perspective, and more companies like us have to participate in that global perspective. It's very difficult unless you're a market leader to focus on that one angle.